Lucy, you better sit down. What song are you singing?
Ariel.
This is what these girls do all day long anymore, is sing Ariel. We don't even watch Ariel hardly ever.
Ariel.
What happens in that movie?
Ariel.
What happens in that movie? What happens in Little Mermaid?
Ursula takes Ariel's voice away.
Who does? Ursula?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not very nice. Then what happens?
She turns into a different doll.
And then what happens?
Oh, she gets married Ariel twice. And you know why?
Why does Ariel cry?
Ariel wants to marry his prince.
She wants to marry her prince?
Yeah.
Oh, and why can't she marry her prince?
Because the other doll.
The girl that stole her voice does?
Yeah.
And then what happens?
That she tries.
And then does she ever get happy again?
No, she gets sad.
Okay, but what happens at the end of the movie?
She gets married at the fridge.
Yeah, so she has a happy ending, doesn't she? It gets happy again. Does she get her voice back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is she a mermaid anymore?
No, she's a person.
She grows feet, huh? What are you doing, Lucy? Oh, buddy. Are you laying in my lap again? Oh, buddy. You guys want to read any more books, or are we all done reading books?
I know we should move on.
You want to pick out some more?